Is it a bird? Is it a plane? It's Pluto. Chiangmai is the winter capital of Thailand. It is 1 hour flight from Bangkok, and it is a city in mountainous northern Thailand, making it the winter capital, a popular destination among locals and tourists alike. Its old city area still retains vestiges of walls and moats from its history as a cultural and religious center. It's home to hundreds of elaborate Buddhist temples. It is also home to many of the best independent coffee shops in the country. Join me as I take you to visit Pluto, a new concept cafe meant to give an outer space experience. Is it worth all the hype? Let's find out. Well, I came here yesterday and the place was full, packed, a lot of people. It's new, it's trendy, and most of the ones that come here are the young ones. So I am here today early to have my morning coffee, and I hope that we will be able to get a good view of this place. While the design is unique, they are trying to emulate the planet Pluto, but when I went inside and it's packed with people, you don't want to be in there. Let's have a quick look around. This area where I am now is below the main cafe dining area, and people can come down here to take photos and have a feeling of being in a dome. Outer space. You can stargaze there, I think. And this is the view from the outside. Circular dining area. Okay, now I'm going up to the main entrance. And I see some steps here. Let's go up the steps first. There's really nothing here. It's just plain rooftop. This cafe is located inside a housing estate. So really there's not much view that you can find here. And now coming through to the main entrance, and this is what you see. Sawadee-ka. This is the main thoroughfare. Let's take a look at what they have. Food, food, food. This is a cafe, so there's lots of food here and desserts. Oh my. And of course, what we're here for, their coffee and tea drinks. Okay, we'll come back to that in a bit. Let's just take a look around. Minimalist counter bar. You don't see much on the wall, which is perfect. And is that Pluto? Pluto is no longer considered a planet, so well, I should ask again, is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it a planet? Well, in this case, it is a cafe. Very cozy dining area. Mirrors, reflections, reflections, reflections. That's me in one of them. Now this is better, a bit more illumination. The rest of the place seems to be a bit too tight and too dark. One thing is for sure, there's not much ventilation in this area. It's quite posh, the designs of the tables and chairs, nothing rustic here. Very modern. Lights are pretty. And this is where I showed you earlier. Go down there to take some photos and be in the dome. You've seen the whole place. It is time for me to sample their drinks. ไม่ทราบว่าอันไหนที่ขายดีที่สุด
ที่ขายดีที่สุดจะเป็นตัว Dirty on the Rock ค่ะ
Dirty on the Rock. Well, it seems that all over Thailand these days, the bestseller is dirty coffee. So I might as well try it. They call it Dirty on the Rock. I asked her what is special about the Dirty on the Rock, and it is the special milk, and the coffee that they use is dark roast coffee. สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ บดละ88 กรัม
Okay, 18 grams of coffee beans. ละเอียดแค่ไหนคะ
ละเอียดประมาณเหมือนผงครับเหมือนไม่ถึงผงแป้งหยาบหน่อยเหมือนน้ำตาลทรายละเอียดครับ
มันละเอียดกว่าเอสเปรสโซ่ป่ะคะหรือว่า
เท่าเอสเปรสโซ่
เท่าเอสเปรสโซ่ okay. So espresso grind coffee 18 grams.แล้วสกัดเท่าไหร่คะ
สกัดประมาณ30 ml.
Okay, so 18 grams of coffee in and 30 milliliters of coffee out. In ประมาณกี่วินาทีคะ
15 ครับโดยประมาณ
15 seconds. Oh, that's a bit too fast. Okay, this is a different version of dirty with a chunk of ice.
ให้อร่อย
ขอบคุณค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ Oh no. The coffee is very, very sour. My God. Well, they pulled the shot. 30 grams or 30 milliliters of espresso here in 15 seconds. Definitely very sour. Let me try the milk, give them a chance. The milk is perfectly fine, but the coffee, I am not so keen on it. But of course, they have just opened. Let's give them some time. I'm sure that in time, there will be more improvements. For the place, 8 out of 10. It looks modern, it looks different, but not much illumination. It's a little bit dark, but I'm sure that this is what most millennials are looking for, and also experience something different, being in the outer space perhaps. Well, that's my review for this cafe. I am only reviewing one drink, so I cannot generalize whether the other drinks will be the same. It's up to you to find out. This is Cafe Pluto in Chiang Mai, Thailand. You cannot discount the fact that this is a very popular place. A lot of people come here. It's new, it's trendy, and a favorite among many of the locals here. So I'll definitely come back to give it a try next time. In the meantime, I'll have more cafe vlogs on this channel, so stay tuned until next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.